Convicted murderer Aubrey Trail was in court again today.
His defense team was giving their case on why they think he deserves a retrial. New at 5, Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Zach Burlington. He was there. He has the details. Zach?
Rod and Megan defense attorney Ben Murray believes the Trail was treated unfairly throughout the 3-week trial, especially after the jury saw Trail slice his throat in the courtroom. Convicted murderer Aubrey Trail was back in the Saline County Courthouse on Wednesday. His defense team was stating his case on why they believe Trail deserves a retrial.
Obviously, the suicide attempt in the middle of the courtroom in front of the jury, we thought that was just too prejudicial, that the jury couldn't get over it. And so we think we should have been granted the mistrial when we made that motion at the trial. And so we think that was a mistake, and so we think we should be able to get another shot at it.
Back in July, Trail was found guilty of first-degree murder of Lincoln woman Sydney Loof. Murray took issue with several incidents during the trial, including the court's allowance of a woman to remain on the jury even after making prejudicial comments during jury selection.
She believed that I think the quote was, the death penalty was too good for Aubrey Trail. They were obviously prejudiced to begin with, so we thought that was unfair too.
The prosecution used evidence of Trail buying power tools in the days leading up to the murder, saying he had planned it. Murray filed a motion to prevent it, but was denied. Murray says it had nothing to do with how Sydney Loof died, which experts say was by asphyxiation.
Even if you believe everything the state said, all of those items were used in the dismemberment of the body. So we didn't believe they were relevant to be used to convict him in the murder.
Murray says after 3 weeks of testimony, the prosecution stated in closing arguments that no one knows who killed Loof between Boswell and Trail. The jury reached a verdict in less than 3 hours, which was evidence of unfair treatment, according to Murray.
4-week trial, we had over 800 exhibits. The jury was out for 2 hours, and of that 2 hours, I don't even think the exhibits had been delivered to them till within 30 minutes of the verdict.
Following Trail's guilty verdict, the defense team of his partner in crime, Bailey Boswell, requested and was granted a change in location for her trial, starting in March of 2020. It will now be held in Dawson County. Now, Judge Vicki Johnson will decide whether or not another trial is necessary in this case. Murray anticipates a decision to come down by the end of the week.
All right, Zach Worthington with the latest on this. Thank you.